Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be showing you guys exactly what I do every single Sunday to get ready for the upcoming week for swing trading. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and guys, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, trading in the market, check out our school. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, but more importantly, we teach you how to find these stocks that we're going to be talking about today. It's absolutely fantastic. It's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. And since the Detroit Lions scored 47 points, we are doing a 47% off sale, which is awesome. So you guys can use code LIONS to get 47% off. So click that link, Swing Trading Masterclass, sign up. It's only going to be valid for 2 days. So sign up. I'll see you guys in there. And guys, let's jump into this. So starting off the week here, what do you guys need to do? So the first thing that I always do here is review positions that we are actually holding. So we're holding ticker symbol DX for a play here on the 90-day moving average line. You guys can see in the past it's hit it and we've had some great support there. So what we actually want to do is just continue to review and understand where we have our stop loss. So the stop loss for this stock here, if we go to the hourly, you guys can see it a little clearer. The general stop loss here is going to be near around 12.18. The reason why is because that's just below that trend line. Our average cost is about 12.06. So if it dips down, we'll still make, a couple $100. And if it just continues to rally up, then we'll just continue to move our stop loss. This is important to review and analyze your trades before the upcoming week, so you guys can kind of know what's going to happen if things go south. But more importantly here, you got to draw out your still risk and reward, because when you're in a position, you're still risking money here. So from the current price here, setting our stop loss, like I said, around here for a possible push up to resistance is about a 3.8 risk and reward, which is still pretty good here at its current price. So in an ideal situation, we continue to ride this trend line here and we just continue to get good buying pressure and the stock continues to rally up. Now, moving on here to the next one here is Tesla. Now, Tesla, one of the reasons why we took a small trade on this is because it had some extreme sell-off from the current price of about 240, sold off all the way down to about 214. So we took a nice trade here near and around the 218 range. So we're down a little bit on this trade, but the reason I love it here is it's on just this general trend line. This is a small trade that we're seeing if we can use some sell-off to our advantage for a possible gap fill strategy. So you guys see where this stock gapped down. We're still on this general upward trend, and the RSI's at about a 34. So the last time it was trading for a 34, let's go ahead and review it. So back in here, boom, was back in this price where we had some good buying pressure. Previous to that was back in here where we had this good buying pressure. So we do the same thing. Our stop for this is going to be near and around 208, and that would give a risk and reward to have our target back up here at resistance near and around here of about 4.9 to 1, risking $1 to make over, pretty much about $5, risking $1 to make $5. So this is still a good trade setup. Now the hourly here, it's hard to generally judge. I do think we'll get some consolidation over the next couple of days. If we do get sell-off, the good thing about Tesla stock here is it could very well be a nice long-term play. So if this stock just sells off, I would feel comfortable buying a little bit more because I'm a firm bull in this stock and I can always move it to like a long-term investment portfolio. I can just transfer the stock. So that's pretty cool there too. But more importantly here, what we actually do, and I think what's more important, is to plan out future trades. And this is why I love having a broker like Moomoo, which is a trading broker. I'll put them down below. You guys can sign up, get up to 20 free stocks. So if you're unsure on what broker to use, check out Moomoo. You won't regret it. They offer really good scanning, charting, and more importantly, paper trading. So if you're just starting out, you can practice those trades. But what you want to do here is start planning out trades. That's exactly what you want to do here. So for this stock here, you guys can see this one here really isn't that good of one. And this one here, one of the reasons I like ticker symbol BRS FS is looking at this. We have this really good trend line. The risk and reward is good. And more importantly here, what we can do is go to a lower time frame like the hourly. I love using the hourly. And we can plan out a trade here. So you guys can see this one here just has a nice little downward trend like such. So we could have a possible good entry near and around the 416 to 420 range. So we can just throw an alert here. And this is what makes up a successful trader, is just being prepared, right? Being prepared on this type of trade and knowing when to enter, I think is very, very important here. So we can get these moving average lines back up. So if it pops up above them, it would be a nice little breakout strategy. And this is what we do. We just continue to go through them here. This one here is still a good trade. We actually might take a nice trade on this one just because of the hourly. It is starting to break out here, and the only resistance we see is the 200-day moving average line. So this could very well be a nice trade here on this just by using the hourly support, and the daily is approaching or near around that 90-day moving average line. So what makes up trading isn't like these glorious days of buying and selling, getting in and out of positions. It's literally just reviewing your setup. So you guys can see here, this one's very, very lightly traded, not a fan. And obviously you can go through your scanner here and find more plays. So if you guys want to check out our scanner, don't forget you guys can use code LIONS to get 50% off or 47% off the course. So make sure you guys check it out. Private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, everything. And we talk about how to build good scanners. So I think that's really important here for swing trading and trading in general. A lot of your days are just preparing for every scenario, whether it's good, whether it's bad. And every Sunday, it's very important to do exactly that. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.